Now, performance is a really big thing when you create Power BI reports. And so once you've got sort of your visuals in place and your pages in place, you may actually want to use the Performance Analyzer just to check how things are actually performing. When you go to the View option in the ribbon, you can actually see that there's a Performance Analyzer button here, and it assesses your report's performance and it identifies areas for improvement. So I'm going to click this. And so the whole idea is you start recording, and when you start recording, it monitors you and records how much time it takes for DAX calculations to be performed, for filters to operate, and for various visuals to work. So I'm going to start recording. If I was to click on a particular filter, click on another filter, it's just giving me a rundown of how long it takes for things to actually occur. And I'm just clicking on the waterfall chart. I'm asking for the top sales, and so on and so forth. And then I'm going back. I'm asking for the top retailers, and I'm going back. So then I would just simply stop recording with the stop button. And it's there that I just look at in milliseconds if anything was excessively taking a long time to be performed. And I'd go about finding a quicker way to get things done.